In this video, I am going to show you how to share your Wix website with someone to edit your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my Wix website and I want to give access to my designer to edit my website. To do this, open your Wix website dashboard. Now from the left menu, click on Settings. And here we will see an option Roles and Permissions. Just select it. Now from the top, we are going to click on Invite Collaborators. Here we need to enter the email of the user who will edit our Wix website. We can add up to 10 email accounts here. And after that, if I scroll down, and here we have different roles that we can assign to our editor, that we can assign to a person who will edit our website, like admin, website manager, website designer, back office manager, content writer, etc. Also, next to any role you will see an option View Role Permissions, and if you click on this, it will show you the permissions of any role. If you want to create a custom role, just scroll down to the bottom and here you will see an option Create New Role. Just select it, add the title, add the description, and here we have the permissions. So if you want to give him permission to the editor, just select the editor, then select the element, and in this way permission will be granted. I want to add a website designer, so I will select website designer role from here, and then from the top I will click on Send Invite. Now I will select an option and then click on Done, and as you can see that invitation was sent successfully. So when the person that we have invited to our Wix website accepts the invitation, then that person will have the access to our Wix website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.